Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you can't play the game because you keep getting this error, an error occurred while launching this game, no licenses, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Black Ops 7 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Steam and here you're going to search for Call of Duty instead of Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So you're going to go into Call of Duty and not Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Just go into it, Call of Duty here, and here just click play now. And then it will ask you where you want to download the game. Select the location, click install, and once it's done downloading, then you can go ahead and play Black Ops 7 for free, and you will not get that no licenses error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.